Hello everyone. So into today's session, we will learn exclude LOD expression. In previous session, we have covered include and fixed LOD expression. Unlike fixed and exclude expression, exclude LOD expression is opposite. We were adding the details in fixed and include LOD expression, but in exclude LOD expression, we are excluding the detail. We are decreasing the granularity. Okay, so this is little bit tricky to understand, but don't worry, I'll show you in the exam with the example. So let's create a state label map. Okay, and now I'll show the sum. Okay, sum sorry, sum of sales. So I'm putting in the label that you can have idea what is the sales. Now I want to see the complete sales. Okay, what will you do? So what I'll do is, like, I have created already a calculation, so I will exclude the state from the view. So I'm removing the detail from the view, then I'm taking the sum of sales. Okay, now I'll put this calculation in the label. So you can see this is a total sum of sales. Let me show you what is the total sales. Okay, so yeah, you can see 23, 26, this is total sales, and now you can see this is total sales I'm showing here. Okay, now I'm going to show one more thing, that I want to calculate the contribution of the sales of each state in terms of total sales. So what I'll do, I'll take the ratio of total sales, and not total sales, the state level sales, then total sales. And now we have calculated already total sales in exclude sales. Okay, now you can see the error that cannot mix aggregated and non-aggregated argument with this function, because actually this is in aggregated level and this is not. When we calculate some LOD expression calculation, the calculation is not on the aggregated level, so you have to provide aggregated level in order to create a valid calculation. Okay, now it seems good. Okay, now I need to click OK. Okay, so ratio I'll put in the label, and I'll convert it to percentage, formatting, and number percentage. Okay, so now you can see this is a total sales and this is state level sales, and this is the contribution to total sales is 5% for Washington district. Okay, so this is the use case of this exclude LOD expression. One more question comes in our mind, that we can achieve the same thing with the help of fixed LOD expression. So why we are using this? Let me show you how can we achieve the same thing with the fixed LOD expression. Let me remove. Okay, ratio one. Okay, ratio. So I'm editing this calculation ratio, and I'm putting okay. So you can see whenever you are not whenever you are not explicitly provide fixed LOD or include LOD keyword, it is fixed only. Okay, when you are not providing any dimension here in the calculation, it is calculated on the uh, most aggregated level. There is no detail in this calculation, so this is providing the total sales. Okay, so we have used the fixed LOD expression, and the thing is same. Okay, so we can achieve the same thing with the fixed LOD expression, but the only difference is there. Let me show you the filter hierarchy, not this one, filter hierarchy. So in the filter hierarchy, you can see the order of operation of the filter, and you can see the fixed LOD expression comes here after context filter, after data blending, but the include and exclude LOD expression comes after dimension filter. So what does it mean? I will show you with the example, but so fixed LOD expression execution is first, after fixed LOD execution, and after dimension filter, the include LOD expression take place. Let me show you with the example what is this thing. Okay, this is total sales. I'll create one. I took exclude LOD expression here, exclude, right, exclude cells. Okay, discrete, and I'll show the fixed also here. Sum of cells. Okay, so, okay, you can see this is about cells and this is exclude cells because there is no detail added in the view, so this is the same, this is also same. Okay, now I'm filtering out, I'm filtering, I'm taking segment filter and taking consumer sales. Okay, so you can see now we are taking only consumer sales, so this value has been changed. Okay, this also changed because you know in the order of execution, include or exclude LOD expression comes after dimension filter, and this is nothing, just a dimension filter. But you can see the fixed LOD expression, it is not affected by the dimension filter because you know in the order of execution the include exclude LOD expression comes after comes before the fixed LOD express the dimensional filter. Okay, but it comes after context filter. Okay, so if I change this filter to context filter, the value has been changed because after applying the context filter everything will be affected by the filter. Okay, because after context filter everything fixed include everything is coming after this one. So this is a different, if somebody asks you in the interview or something, so you can answer it easily. And I will in different session I will explain all the filter in the upcoming videos, and I will explain this thing in detail. So please stay tuned and thank you so much.